my YouTube video. My YouTube video is going to be about the two hoist, and my name is John Wells. And what I'm first going to go is, before I bring a vehicle into the bay, I want to make sure my area that I'm going to have is going to be clean, free of oil. Make sure all the tools are put away, and it's basically a safe zone for a car to come into the bay, and I can work on the car. Once I've inspected the layout, I'm going to inspect the hoist itself. I'm going to look for cracks. I'm going to look for braided wires, any braided that are broken. I'm going to look at the levers, make sure all the levers are all good to go. The wells are good. I'm going to check, make sure that it's been inspected, that the hoist has been inspected recently. It should be on the side of the bay. Also, another thing that you need to adhere to is going to be the posted signs that are going to be on all the hoists for your personal injury. If you don't adhere to some of these signages, death could occur, so you don't want that to happen. So once you've done your inspection of your hoist and your area, and you've got your proper PPE on, safety glasses, gloves, correct coveralls, you want to go over the system components real quick. Here is, you got your locking device, unlocking device for your lift, and then you're up and down, and then this right here is going to be bringing it down. All right. So once you bring a car into the bay, you always want a two-person guide, one person guiding you in and one person driving the vehicle. And that's all to do with safety. Okay. You don't want to do this alone. You want a co-worker to help you out with this. So once you bring the car in, you get it onto the correct position, and once you get it into the right position, you move the levers into underneath the frame. Now, different cars, you're going to have to use manufactured specs on that car for underneath the frame. Like trucks and cars, it's going to be a lot different. What you're going to use is these caps, and you put this underneath the frame, and these are the extensions that you can use. Okay, they come in different sizes, and as you can see, that you got over here, you got an 8-inch, you got a 6-inch expansion, and another looks like a 3-inch or a 4-inch. But needless to say, you use the one that you're going to want for that vehicle. All right. So once you place your arms underneath the car, you want to make sure that you get them in there locked, and then what you're going to do is you're going to bring the car up to an area where you hear a clicking noise. Okay, once you brought the car up a little bit off the wheels, you look and you inspect all the way around. You inspect it. Make sure that the levers are underneath it. It's very good. Inspect the whole car. You want to shake it. Make sure it's on the rails correctly. And once you feel that's very solid, you continue going up. Okay, there you got the click. All right, now the car is up. All right, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place a stanchion underneath the tail end of the car for better stability, and so it's a safety. So you want to make sure that you have that jack there, a stable jack. You do your work underneath, you do your oil change, do whatever you need to be done underneath, working underneath it. It's time to bring the car out. You remove the jack, and now you bring it down. This is your locking device here. You want to make sure you bring this down. Bring that down like this. Bring that lever down, all the way down. Once it's past the locks, you can release the locking device. It's all the way down. Then you remove the levers from the frame. Again, start the car or truck, move it out of the bay using a two-person, using two people, and then you're done.